Today has been the best day so far. Everything has gone off without a hitch. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I made so much dua last night, like I can't even tell you. You guys, it is commercial day! We're filming our commercial today. This is a crazy day. We've been up forever. Aaron and Alice are here. Very bright and early with the trolley out there.
We got like super stocked in the lobby. We're like, what are you doing here?
I know, they're so annoying. Giselle's here! Why do you touch nasty things?
It builds my immune system. I never get sick, guys. I'm good.
Loading it up. So we're packing up the car and then we're gonna make our way to the breather location where we're gonna have 2 scenes and then head out to our 2 outdoor locations. So this is so exciting! I can't believe it all fit in here. Well, we'll see if it's all gonna fit. We are just cramming it in. We all got in the same car. I don't know how that happened. It's magic. We did it. Today is off to a great start. So this is the space that we are filming the 2 scenes with the CEO and the student in a lab. We're gonna transform the space to look like those 2 places. Alice wrote this so everything looks so official during the business scene. It's all starting to come together. This is so exciting. We have our CEO getting her makeup done. Then we're setting up the shot right now. Maybe like the student. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. You look like a dream. Ooh, extra! Look at these beautiful people. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. I can't. Okay, so we're done with scene 1 and 2. And now Giselle. Hey. There she is. And myself. And Alice. Hello. We're all headed to Chelsea. We're gonna shoot the mom scene. Then we're gonna head down to meatpacking and shoot the very final scene. We have all of the outfits and the silk, of course. I could not even risk it getting wrinkly, so I held it in my hand and ran into this car. And now we're on our way. Alhamdulillah, everything's been so smooth, so amazing. The girls have been amazing. The crew, the team, everyone is on it. So, best day. So we're at the 3rd scene. This is the mom on the stoop, and we have to be really inconspicuous. And Nora's taking care of the kids. We have to be super inconspicuous because we're like, that's somebody's house. So we're hanging out across the street.
This is a real fashion shoot on the move, as you can see. Melanie and Giselle. And the beautiful Laura. This is our makeup artist, Rose. She's a total champion.
What's up, Dakota? How you feeling?
Good.
How's today?
Going good.
Dakota's our superstar today. We would not have been able to do this without him. You're the best. Final scene of the day. Once this is done, it is a wrap. Alice, what are your thoughts today?
It's been about 12 hours since we began. It's been honestly amazing.
I know.
Like everything that we needed to happen happened on time.
Yes, we're gonna finish on time, no overtime.
How's it possible?
It's not. Miracles, Haute Hijab miracles all around.
This is Melanie and Giselle, literally all day long, on hijab watch, just making sure that everything's working.
We just got back into the breather. How was it today while we were gone?
It was like that. It was awesome.
So hard. I'm so tired.
Oh.
Lies. Lies. Oh, poor Alice.
We're at a Lebanese restaurant with the team. So we just did Rosebud Thorn with the whole team, and everyone went around and said what they loved about today and what was a little thorn. No one had a thorn because today was amazing. Bye.